this Chinese restaurant, and we're gonna rebuild this makeup table. The customer bought all the gear himself online. We'll have to see if it matches up. See what we can do for him. I'm gonna keep it as simple as possible. Let's take a look. Okay. Did the coil look like the same coil that you got?
It's a lot smaller.
Okay. The Mr. 45. The Mr. 45. Here's a look at the condensing unit. I didn't have any insulation, so I just used some foam tape. I kind of got it on there funky, but hey, it's insulated. You can see here the pressures are low, but the charge isn't full. Still working on getting the unit charged up right here. And dryer side glass combo, spoiling. I like those. Okay, these old units here are solid stainless steel. They're made to be rebuilt. They don't make them like this anymore. Just solid old Cook's line. Look at this stuff. That's how they did them. This is stainless. The shelving had baffles in it. There's the new coil. I think it's actually going to work. I was concerned it was going to be a little bit small, but it seems to be okay. I've kept it as basic as possible. That's right, constant cut-in thermostat. No messing around. There's where the condensate ended up coming. There was a drain down the middle there. So that's where we're ending up at. $1.25 and 15. I'll have to adjust that H.V.A.C. Right down here. Across these old, the small old ice makers and the fan cycle switch dies. This machine's from 2004, so it's got to be old timer. I'll use the Mars 43306 fan cycle switch, and I'll just cut out the old one after you recover the charge. I'll sweat in a coupling and a 1/4 inch access with the Schrader in it, and then screw on the new switch. And so if it fails in the future, you can just unscrew it and put a new one on. That's my NorCal tip of the day. 43306. Opens at 210, makes it 275. That'll get you by on these little match walks.